Good afternoon, everyone. You join Loon and I on our afternoon walk, and also Pickles. Oh, there's Pickles has come as well. Hello, Pickles. You're doing stranger danger. Is that no? I'm outside. You're a stranger. Oh, hey, Pickles. Yes, Luna, it's Pickles. Oh, careful, you're gonna... She gets ever so excited, and then sometimes she walks into Pickles. Pickles gets upset. Which I'm not surprised. You don't really want a husky walking into you, do you? Are we hunting together? Exploring? Luna's gone over. Pickles have gone over there. Luna, you coming up? Oh, you okay, little Pickles? You okay, little Pickles? Come in, Luna. I don't know if Pickles are going to come up here, but we'll see. Let's see. You might follow. Just followed us up the road, so... Oh! Come in, Luna. You going up? A steep way. That's... Oh, Pickles is going his way. Come in, Luna. That's it. You got it. You got it, good girl. Pickles is looking. Am I going to come with him? Am I going to go? Don't know. You good girl. That's it. That's it. Up we go. Up. Oof. Woody. Oh, the sun. Oh, what's that? It's the sun. Oh, I'm going out. Just got caught on. Oh, I've got a splinter now. I've got a few splinters. Oh well. Oh, look. It's coming. Oh, what a lovely day. What a lovely day. Hey, Luna. Where is he? Oh, there he is. There's Pickles. Anyway, Luna, Mr. Pickles and I, thank you for watching, and we hope you have a lovely day, and we'll speak to you soon. Bye bye for now.